I'm Savannah Martinez.
And I'm Peter Johnson.
Robert!
All right, and the purpose of Experiment 3 melting points is to understand what occurs at the molecular level when a substance melts. And we're also going to learn about the primary purpose of a melting point data. Are you okay?
Keep going.
He's stuck. To demonstrate the techniques of obtaining the melting point of an organic substance and to explain the effect of impurities on a melting point of a substance. Here's Robert. I'm sorry.
I hope you enjoy this, Dr. Manrique. We are having fun.
When a solid substance is heated, typically it would melt. That is to say, at some temperature, the solid will begin to what? Liquefy. And by some slightly higher temperature, all of the solid will have become what? Liquid. The melting points actually melt from a range of a compound is often then defined as the temperature at which an observation can first see liquid form from the solid to a temperature where the last particles of solid has become liquid. And a good example, the melting point of pure sucrose, this means that as a small sample of sucrose is heated, some of the crystals begin to liquefy at 185 Celsius. All the crystals have become liquefied by 186, sometimes only the second number. Okay? Here is Peter.
Oh, sorry. I'm not going to go what? Don't worry, I'm not going to do that. Anyway, little experiment we have here. We have an alcohol burner with a screen. The screen kind of, you can see it's very glowing hot. It is hot. I will not touch it. Then we have our water bath with our mixture of our unknown crystal with tetrachlorine. Tetrachlosane. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's fine. You know what it is. We have a starting temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, and we will begin the heating. So you have to kind of let the glass heat up slowly, otherwise it may crack. So initially we have kind of a slow warming. Then I have a little magnifying glass here so I can watch it closely, wipe off the fog, and I can. Wow, it's fogging up already again. But it's okay because it's not melting yet. And I will gently watch for it to begin to melt, which is not happening. Okay, it begins to melt at 32 degrees Celsius, is the starting of the melting point. It seems to be melting much slower than the previous compound, although it did start sooner. The compound on itself actually did not start to melt until up into nearly 40 degrees Celsius, or over 40 degrees Celsius. And this one is now melting more rapidly. And is completely melted at 43 degrees Celsius. So this one actually melted at a lower temperature, but it actually took longer. I don't know if the water bath was not heating as fast, but it seemed to take longer to reach that other point. Although the range is very similar as 32 to 40, 43 degrees Celsius. So anyway, that's the experiment. That's the basis of it. And we found out that this is really cool. We can wash marshmallows on it.
Apple Chris.
Okay, thank you very much and have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Happy Monday.